But then, Rishivar, how do some people in the same household remain healthy while others attract disease? What are they doing to remain in harmony with nature? They may not even know how they remain in harmony. Can we decode how they remain healthy?
This exactly is the last opportunity. Science should have done this. They only had to study the lifestyle of healthy people and lifestyle of people who are suffering to decode the inner process which keeps people healthy or cause a disease. In other words, they only had to find out what lifestyle disturbs the process of regeneration. They could scientifically decode the inner process of ancient wisdom. Being aware, everyone would have been able to evolve their lifestyle to remain in alignment with nature. This would have restored faith of humanity in nature. Science and nature would have become one. This is the path science should have taken. In modern times, whatever suffering we are experiencing have seeds in this lost opportunity.